Hi there, welcome to another quick clip on multiplying brackets, okay? So we've got 3 questions here to have a look at. Now there are lots and lots of ways of multiplying brackets, okay? And we were just talking about this before this quick clip started, and one of the camera guys was saying that he did these by a smiley face. Now, what I'm saying to you is this: if you've got your own way of doing these and you know you get them right, then you ignore what I'm going to say now. But be sure you can get them right, because I tell you something, those people who do them using smiley faces, they often make mistakes, particularly when you get to the more complicated ones like number 3. Okay? So, whichever way you want to do them, as long as you get the right answer is fine. I'll show you my way. When you've got a double bracket, what it means is this: everything in that second bracket, think, everything in it has got to be times by 3, just like if it said that. You know that means 3x plus 12, don't you? Okay, so everything in that bracket has got to be times by 3, and also everything in that bracket has got to be times by x. So this is the way I set it out. I copy that second bracket twice. I just purely and simply copy it out. Don't make any alteration to it, and anybody can copy. So I just do x plus 4, and I do x plus 4. I copy it twice. That bracket, just write it out twice. And then all you do is you put a 3 in front and you put an x in front, because there's a 3 there and there's an x there. So what's the answer? It's going to be 3x plus 12, plus x squared plus 4x. Is there anything we can collect together? Yeah, the only thing we can collect is the x's, so we're going to have x squared plus 7x plus 12. Okay? Let's try the second one the same way. X plus 1 times x minus 1. All it means is everything in that bracket has got to be times by 1, and everything in that bracket has got to be times by this x here. Okay? So we copy the second bracket twice. You can't be done for copying like this, actually. You're not in trouble for that sort of copying, all right? So you copy it twice, you put a 1 in front, and you put an x in front. So what will we get? 1 times x is x. 1 times minus 1 is going to be minus 1, I think. X times x is x squared, and that's going to be minus x there.
Can you do it again? It's too quick.
Can I do it again? It's too quick. This second one, right, okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that second bracket, twice. Can you see I've put it there, and I've put it there, And then all I do, just like the first one, just like there, I put a 3 in front and an x in front, because we had a 3 and we had an x, Here I'm going to do the same trick, put a 1 in front and an x in front. So a 1 in front of one of them and an x in front of the other. If it had said donkey here, let's just be really silly. If it had said donkey plus 1, we'd have still put the 1 in front of one bracket and we'd have put donkey in front of the other bracket.
So donkey plus even 7 is going to be 1 donkey and 1 7. In case it's 7, donkey and 7.
If that was donkey and 7, then you'd put a 7 there and a donkey there. If it was a donkey plus a lion, you'd put a lion there and a donkey there. And it wouldn't actually matter if you put a donkey there and a lion there. All right, but if you get a question like that, please complain to the exam board, because that would be a really cruel question to give you. All right. So finally, can you see here that the x's will cancel out now, because you've got a plus x and a minus x? So the answer is just going to be x squared minus 1. Third one, let's see if I make this a bit clearer. We copy the second bracket twice. So it's 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. You can switch your brain off while you do that, Just copy it. And what we're going to put in front, we're going to put a minus 7 in front, and we're going to put a 3x in front. So what we're going to get? Minus 7 times 2 is minus 9, isn't it? 7 2s are 9. Is that right? Yeah?
I was thinking it's 14.
I was thinking it was 14, but unless I'd stopped you wouldn't have said it, would you? Okay, wakey. Minus 14x, Good. Minus 28. Plus 6x squared and plus 12x, I think. Okay. So what have we got all together? Is there anything we can bring together? We've got 6x squared. That's got rid of that. We've got a minus 14x and a plus 12x. What's that going to make? You lose 14x's and you win 12. You're going to be down by 2, aren't you? Minus 2x. And then finally, minus 28. Okay? Now, this clip ties in very closely with the next one, which is on factorising. So do have a look at factorising. A bit more difficult. It's where we're reversing this process. We're going back from that to that, from that to that, from that to that. Okay? So if you want to tie that in with this clip, do so. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.